Hey guys, it's me Rahul, and today I'm gonna show you how you can schedule your tweets on Twitter. It's actually very simple, but Twitter only allows you to schedule your tweets on their desktop or their web app. So go to twitter.com, then you just type in a tweet. So this is my scheduled tweet. I misspelled scheduled. So this is my scheduled tweet, and then click on this calendar icon called schedule. Click on that and it will open up a window, and there you select the date and the time at which you want this tweet to go public. So I will keep this date as it is and change the time to 11:30. I'll give 11:30, right? 11:30 p.m. IST. Then you click on confirm. Then you click on schedule. That's all. So at exactly 11:30 IST, the tweet that I just formed will go live. That means it will go public. So if you want to see or make any changes to your scheduled tweet, you click on the schedule button again. Then you click on schedule tweets, and here you will be able to make changes, make the time change, whatever the thing is, you can make your change and schedule it once more. So that's been it. Hope you guys liked it.